Zanus Private AI Software is the intelligence layer that powers your organization. It is not just an AI assistant or a chatbot. It is a complete AI operating system designed to organize knowledge, automate work, and execute real business processes across your company. Installed on your Zanus infrastructure, the software becomes the central nervous system of your organization's intelligence. At its foundation, the platform builds what we call a knowledge fabric. Zanus ingests documents, procedures, records, media files, and operational data from across your business. These materials are indexed into a private intelligence library so the system can reason directly from your internal information. Instead of guessing from the internet, Zanus works from your company's real knowledge. This creates a structured, searchable, and continuously expanding intelligence base that your teams can activate instantly. But Zanus software does far more than retrieve information. It executes work. Inside the platform, business activity is organized through structured containers called jobs. These jobs can represent projects, cases, tickets, research tasks, operational workflows, or customer requests. Each job contains its own files, instructions, permissions, deadlines, and decision history. The AI operates inside that structure, ensuring that every output is grounded in the correct context and governed by your policies with full role-based access permissions. This turns AI from a conversational tool into a true execution system. Teams can collaborate directly inside these job environments, opening multiple AI workspaces simultaneously, creating specialized threads for different aspects of a task, and merging outcomes into a single finalized result. The software supports every type of operational input. Documents, spreadsheets, images, video, medical imaging, engineering drawings, and structured data can all be ingested instantly and indexed for reasoning. Once inside the system, these materials become part of the organization's permanent knowledge base. The platform also includes a powerful automation layer. Zanus can trigger workflows, assign tasks, update records, generate reports, schedule actions, and coordinate activity across departments. Calendars, schedulers, booking systems, and analytics tools are built directly into the software. These automations allow organizations to move from manual coordination to governed execution. Zanus software also supports customer-facing intelligence. Integrated web AI chat, booking tools, and support workflows allow businesses to interact with customers continuously. The system can answer inquiries, process requests, manage appointments, and maintain customer records while feeding that information back into the company's operational knowledge. This creates a digital workforce that operates around the clock. Governance is deeply embedded throughout the platform. User management, role-based permissions, access controls, and audit logs ensure that the right people access the right information at the right time. Organizations can segment departments, enforce workflows, and maintain full traceability of actions taken by both humans and AI. Because every module is native to the Zanus system, the software operates as a unified environment rather than a collection of disconnected tools. 15+ built-in modules including workflows, knowledge libraries, users, clients, and automations all operate inside the same system. This creates a consistent operational layer across the organization. As companies grow, the system grows with them. New workflows, teams, departments, and automation systems can be added without rebuilding infrastructure or introducing external dependencies. The result is an AI platform designed not just to assist work, but to structure it, coordinate it, and continuously improve it. Zanus, a private AI system that transforms your company's information into operational intelligence and turns that intelligence into real execution. It is the intelligence engine that powers a modern AI-driven organization. Learn more or request your free demo at zanusai.com.